after you have frozen those cubes, you get essentially a aloe vera ice cube. And what I've done is I've completely cleansed my face. I don't have any product on my face. I basically just will now massage the ice cube into my skin. And this will cool your skin. It will increase circulation. And afterwards, your skin is so moisturized. Any blemishes I have, if they're starting to come up, they will, reduce in swelling the next day. So I basically do this and go to bed, and I will wake up and do my morning routine. So I don't put any other product on my face. This is the last product I do. So as I'm doing this, I'm like pressing it in so that the aloe vera juices are coming onto my skin. So I just do this, do an upward motion for my neck. So good for my face and my neck. All you need is that small, tiny ice cube. It feels so good, feels so cooling. And I do this every 2 to 3 days. And this is like my detox for my skin. So like a mask that I will do that essentially if I have any blemishes that look like they're about to come up, they go back down. So with that ice cube, like my skin is so like clear. It never always used to be like this, but with this treatment and more, I have beautiful skin that is clear and just great. So if you want more tips or tricks like this, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for coming back. I will see you on Wednesday.